n axis is nothing but r crossed with f dotted with n. So we have to take an axis first. We have to take an axis first thing. Second thing, we have to take, that means we have to take a unit vector along the axis. Okay, so which axis, how to take the unit vector? We have r1 and r2. Based on that, we have to take unit vector. Let us see how. So the axis is defined with respect to an origin. Say this is the origin. Okay, whatever be the case, x, y, z, whatever be the case. Okay, we will not worry. Okay, so r1 is somewhere here, r2 is somewhere here, correct? So r1 and r2, maybe like this, maybe the other side, don't know. Okay, this is r1, this is r2, correct? Fine. R1 and R2 is defined like this, correct? This is with respect to some axis. R2, this is R1. Make sense? Okay. Now, in addition to this, just a second. Okay. Yes. So R1 and R2 is given. So the axis here, this axis, can be got by R1 minus R2, this from here to here, this particular vector. This is R1 minus R2. Makes sense? So the unit vector n will come as R1 minus R2 vector divided by magnitude of R1 minus R2. Make sense? Now you may say, sir, can I take R2 minus R1? Very much you can take that. You can take R2 minus R1 also. So you get n here. Once you get n, take any point on this axis. Any point on this axis. The 2 points which we know is this and this. Correct? So what we have to do here to find R cross F. Okay, here we have got n. What is R? R you can take R1 or R2. You can take, sorry, going through a position. Now, one of the main thing, R1 and R2 n we have got. Goes through a position RA. The force goes through a position RA. Means what? If I have a particular point here, okay, this is point A and this is RA. This one is RA. Makes sense? So what we have to take with respect to this point from here, from this point, we have to take a direction here. This would be the R. This would be the R. What it could be? It could be R1 minus RA. Correct, students? Or RA minus R1. Correct? Why? Because what we have to take with respect to this axis, it has to be like this. Or it can be the other way around. Don't have to worry. If you go the other way around, you get minus. That's it. Okay? So R, what you have, is equal to R1 minus A or RA minus R1. RA minus R1. It can be R1 minus RA also. That is R. Now F is given. What is F? F here is acting at some place. F. F is given as 10I plus 6J. Makes sense? So now what you have to do? M is equal to R, which is this, crossed with F, dotted with N. Now do it, students. See whether you can get it. Hot water, please.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I didn't get about the RA. Like, how we will know that RA should be taken at left side only? Like, it will
We
link
do
to
not
R1
know.
only.
We do not know. We do not know. We do not know. I have just
Okay,
arbitrarily said that.
okay. And
It,
sir, if the vectors are defined, is that mean that all are coming from same point?
yeah, it is coming from origin. It is a position vector, is it not?
Okay, 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 sir.
Position vector is always along with the origin, is it not?
Yes, sir.
So that is how it comes.
Okay,
This one question will solve a lot of troubles. Lot of It will give a lot of clarity of subjects. Very important. Clarity of the topic, how it comes. And after you do these kind of questions, no, all the other things will be seem paltry, very small problems. That's why I do tough problems, because in the tough problem, not just tough problems, the one which gives you clarity of concepts, such kind of topics only we do. Such kind of problems only I do. And once you do this problem, all the other problems will be easy. Similar way in every topic. Are you appreciating the students? Correct.
So could you explain this once again? I didn't understand it properly.
Okay. See, first of all, what we need here, you see, what is Mn? Mn is R crossed with F. What is R? R is the distance from the place where the force is acting and the distance to the point about which we have to take the moment. Okay. Now this point here should be on this axis. That is the only condition we have. What? That point should be on the axis n. So now if I want to find out the moment along this axis, what should I do? I should find r cross f, where r can be r2, r can be r1, anything, crossed with f and dotted with n. Fine. So now what is n here in this case? In this case, n comes from with respect to origin. This is not the force acting position where the force is acting. Okay. With respect to the origin, r1 and r2 is given. So if you negate r1 minus r2 or r2 minus r1, anyhow it can be. Okay. That's why two answers I have given. Okay. So when you do r2 minus r1, what you will get? You will get the vector from here to here. Correct. R1 minus r2 if I say. Correct. So you get, sorry, here to yeah, here to here you get r1 minus r2. This r1 minus r2, what is there? Sorry. So this r1 and r2 which is there, r1 minus r2, makes the axis. The unit vector along this axis can be got by r1 minus r2 divided by magnitude of r1 minus r2. Make sense? Unit vector comes like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, so n is fixed. Now next we have to fix what is r. Correct. Now if I want to find out the r, I have to go from the point where the force is acting, which is point A at a which goes through a position 2i plus 6j. Correct. So with respect to that position, I have to take r cross f, and with respect to a point on the axis. Point on the axis can be r1 or r2. Okay. So I have taken r1 now. So what would be r? R would be ra minus r1. Correct. Ra minus r1 would be this one. Correct. So ra minus r1 is r. So what you do? You take this r here, cross with f, which is given acting at that point, dotted with n. Make sense?
Sir, how do you find position of RA?
Ra is given, Baba, here.
Yes. Okay. Uh,
Ra is given.
yes.
Please do it.
sir, can you tell me about the direction of R? Like we have assumed it,
Yeah.
or
Okay. See what happens, if I consider, say, if I consider point A, okay, and then say another point here, okay, so this I will say R1, then I will say with respect to some point, okay, let me put this way only, okay, so that you're not confused. This is the origin, correct? So this is the place where force is acting, right? Point A. R1 is somewhere here, correct? So R1 is here, RA is here, correct? So if I do RA minus R1, what will happen? Let me tell you. See, RA is here, okay? So if I go like this, see, observe, I'm going in this fashion, okay? If I go in this fashion, it is minus R1 plus RA is equal to this R. R should close, I'm sorry. R should close here is equal to R. Make sense?
yes, yes, sir.
Make sense? The resultant, what we are finding, triangle law comes here, okay? Don't worry, ask questions, okay? I'll go slow, that's it, that I can manage. So let me do it, okay? Or will you do it, students? Please do it. I will. Until you put your efforts, you cannot get it, students. You have to put your efforts on that time. Okay. Ashutosh got the answer?
I came just now. I joined 15 minutes.
Yeah, yeah. Please do it. That is good. People, you do not know what is the threat I have given to others, is it not? Students, keep in mind, slow and steady, continuous study is very important. And this is one of the studies which will increase your level, okay? And whenever the level increase happens, it is not easy. It is not easy. But once you increase, you will find why you people, or generally why we did not get, we are not getting jobs. Okay, why are we not getting jobs? Okay, what is the reason why are we suffering? Okay, and how we can grow actually. We have started one thing, students, called every inch. I will tell you about that also. See here, I will go with that. Okay, we
I got
have,
14.01, sir.
huh?
minus 14.01.
14.01 is okay, Baba. No problem with that. Okay, that is because some point, some here they have taken three decimal places. You might have taken
Four,
six
four.
decimal places,
Yes.
four decimal places. That is the difference that comes. That's okay. Others, see, students, I will show you one. Hmm?
13.93, sir, minus.
92, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Who is this?
Shane and Prathamesh, I think, sir.
Shane. Very good, Shane.
Also
Super.
Prathamesh, I think.
That's it. That's it. See, this is one thing we have started, students. Everything for engineering. Okay. So this is another one where we go with projects from the industry. Okay, we are solving problems from the industry. Okay, there are big people here. Okay, then story engineering, community engineering. I am also one of the person here. There is something called knowledge engineering, where I am also. They will put it. It is started now. It will take time. Okay, so here what happens? The way to go forward is to get jobs. Very important. Okay, most of them. See, Samir Gupta ji. Samir Gupta ji is from. Is from IASC, in fact. Okay, so I'm getting a great number of people here. Okay, to do the work. Okay, so yes, so here what happens is here it has started now, but I'll tell you just you can register as a student here. Okay, and slow and study you can do freelancing projects also here. Okay, there are some projects which are given there. Okay, so you can start a project, find a project. If you do, you'll find a project. Okay, I have to log in. I'm sorry, you have to log in here. If you log in, you can find a project. Sorry, so sign with LinkedIn. Oh, here it cannot happen. I'll go with my this one. Okay, so every inch. Just a second, students. Eight two 7 1 0 2. See here. If you go to project engineering, you can find a project. See API documentation. The cost is there. Okay. Um, yeah, there are a lot of projects which are there. Okay, textbook solutions that also is there too. You can find the textbook solutions also. Okay, steam header and piping. So fabricate casing projects like that. Okay, bidding starts from 30th September 2020. Okay, so like that. This kind of this has ended. Okay, these kind of projects will also come. That's what we have started just now. We will see what happens. Okay, similar mentoring will be there. Okay, so we can mentor you whatever the things are there. Okay, so like that. Okay, then we are just collecting student people here. It is just started now. Okay, so kindly log in there, students. Everyengineering.com. Okay, yeah, anyway, just because I'm involved in it, I told you that. Okay, yes, yeah, students.
Sir, I got wrong answer.
You got wrong answer. How
I'm
much you got?
looking. So I got something 17.
No, wrong, Baba. You might have done some small mistakes. Let us see what how to do it. Okay, so first of all, let us try it out. Okay, the first one is we have to find out. Let me put it again. So would be we can write RA minus R1. You can do R2 also, no problem, into F. Okay, dotted with N. Correct. So what is RA? RA comes as 2I plus 6J. Correct. And then here minus R1. R1 comes as 6I plus 10J plus minus 3K. Correct. See where you did that mistake. What is N? N is nothing but, sorry, this is R, this one. Okay, so let me put it here. Okay, crossed with what is F? F is 10I plus 6j, correct? And then here this n would be equal to r1 minus r2, r2 minus r1. Anything can happen, okay? So let us take r1 minus r2. What is r1 minus r2? Okay, r1 minus r2 is 6 minus 3, so 9. So 9i, 10 minus 12 plus 22j, correct? Minus 3 minus 6 minus 9k, correct? Divided by square root of 9 square plus 22 square plus 9 square. See what is the answer you get now. That is it. That's answer. Dotted with. Now do it. See how what you get the answers. Others, how many of you did not get the answer? Raise your hands. How many of you did not get the answer? Raise your hand. Aditya, then others. Sheldon, Shiveja, others got the answer. Good. Prathamesh got the answer. Good. Okay. Sai Nandan, where is Sai Nandan? Sai Nandan got the answer. Good. Okay. So yes, try it out now.
Sir, bracket is the same.
Huh?
In the RA minus R1, it is 2i plus 6j minus of 6i plus that. That minus
Okay.
is for the whole R1.
Okay. Okay. Correct. Okay. So minus. So this is 2i minus 6j. Correct.
No, no, not that. 2i plus 6 is correct. That is RA, right? RA minus of R1, right? That minus sign is for full R1.
Correct. 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 I got your point.
Yeah,
See.
that what you wrote is correct. 2i plus 6j is correct.
So yes, sir, that makes plus 3k. Remaining all terms remain already
Correct.
changed.
Correct. 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 Let me correct it. RA is 2i minus 6 R1 6 I 6. Okay. 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 I got the point. I got the point. I'm sorry. 6j minus 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 plus 6j. Correct. I'm sorry. So everything becomes minus here, and then you solve it. Okay. Solve it and get the answer, students. If you have not got it, please message me now itself on the WhatsApp group. You can do personally also. Personally, you message me, students. I will see where you
Sir,
have gone wrong.
yes, sir. Sir, R1 vector is 6i plus 10j minus 3k, right?
Yes, so it should be plus 3k.
Okay.
Correct.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Like the movement for that force will be same along like any point on that axis, no?
Yes. Yes. If you are taken instead of RA minus R1, take another example. Do it for yourself.
RA
Okay.
minus
Now,
R2 also.
yeah, RA minus R2 you do crossed with F. And here you can take instead of R1 minus R2, we have taken here R1 minus R2, right? You take R2 minus R1. Then see what you get. You say R2 minus R1. Do it now, students. It's a practice.
Sir, R2 minus R1.
Here we have taken R1 minus R2, is it not?
Yeah,
Why can't?
but if you take R2 minus R1 as a distance between force, then we won't get along about point A, right?
No. R1 minus R2 is for calculating this N.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
N.
yeah.
Okay, because that shows the axis along with which we have to calculate, is it not?
Yeah.
Okay, this is with respect to axis is defined. Then force is acting at this point. Observe.
Yeah.
Correct. So R we have to take. What is R? R1 minus RA or R2 minus RA. Both are okay. Or any point along the axis. Any point is okay.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what we are trying to prove here. Students, every time the recording is uploaded, you get the mail, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Yes.
Mail
Recording. Mail we
about
don't
recording.
get. No, about recording, no.
Yeah.
We don't. No, we don't get about recording. Every time recording is uploaded.
You see, like you don't get like in the Google Drive, the recording has been uploaded like that. You don't get right mails.
No, mail we don't get, sir.
Yes, sir. We don't get any mail about recording.
Okay.
The only mail we receive is your like class links. That's all.
Okay. From Google Drive, you don't get the mail because I got it today because I was a participant there. So when it is a participant, I got the mail. Okay, fine. No problem. You can go to the drive and you can see this one. Okay.
Yes, sir. We can go to drive and check. It will be there. Notification we don't get. That's all.
That's okay. Because I don't know what Google's things are. Just checking out.
Yes, I got the correct answer. I had made some mistake.
See, that is the thing. Okay, that's okay because it's part of studying process, is it not? Okay, now this is how karata karata abhyasate jadamati hota sujan. Okay, so it's very important that we go like this. Okay, students, actually my throat is getting troubled. Okay, I'm not able to speak. I'm trying to manage it. Now, if I try to manage it, thermodynamics class will suffer. Okay, so I will stop it here, students, because it is becoming really hard. Okay, so thermodynamics class I'll take better, students, because if I continue now, if I exert more now, then I think thermodynamics class will suffer. Okay, so I'm sorry, students. Today, one day you have to excuse me. Okay,
It's okay, sir. You take this, sir. We understand.
because yesterday I talked a lot, Baba, because I was so much excited. Okay, and the students were giving good response also in advance. So that created in excitement when you talk, no, and there were relevant questions and all those things. It's very exciting. Okay, so once that is exciting like that, then as a teacher you cannot stop, is it not? It went on. What was there for 1.5 hours went for 2.5 hours. Okay, not because of our extension, because the students were asking questions. And evening also the same way happened. So that's why I had to talk a lot, and it has taken a toll on my this one. Murali sir was about to take classes, but the questions were so much. Murali sir took only 10-20 minutes class. Okay. So anyhow, okay, thank you, students. Thank you very much. I hope you understand. I'm sorry
Yes,
for
sir.
the
Thank you, sir.
yeah, and do the previous year's questions you do, and also this one recording is available. Okay, whatever I'm doing now, mechanics. Okay, before me saying also, you can go to see this Gate Coaching Apex. Okay, the moments only whatever we are discussing now, same thing is available here. So when we do again, you can ask questions. Okay, because you will be much prepared. Like if you go for drive here, you see there is in Apex classes, there is links to YouTube videos, you see. Okay, in this vector algebra classes, class 1, class 2. Okay, see here, moment of a force about an axis, couple and its moment. Next topic is couple and moment, which I have to take today. I'm not able to do now. Okay, so what you can do, you can go there and click that link and see what we have done. This again we will repeat here. Okay, but when the repetition happens, you will understand much better. Okay, then I will do, say for example here, next one is equivalent force system. That is the next topic. Okay, next topic is a resultant of a force system. I will do much better than this because every time I go next time, it is much better. Okay, and if you have already seen it, then you expect what is coming, is it not? So please go there, and I will stop here, students. Okay, so sorry, thermodynamics class we will take better. Okay, because thermodynamics, it is not recorded yet. Okay, yes, thank you very much, students. Thank you very much.